Imagine earning extra income from your passion. Sounds great, right? Well, welcome to Etsy, where your hobbies can turn into cash. We're breaking down the steps to launch your Etsy shop from concept to profit. Let's lay the foundation for your Etsy success in 10 simple steps. Step 1 is all about finalizing a simple business plan for your storefront. What's your craft? Maybe it's jewelry that tells a story, vintage treasures, or a digital art that pops. On Etsy, your creativity isn't just welcomed, it's what makes you stand out and earn big. But remember, it's not just about what you make, it's about planning for success. Ask yourself, how much will my creations cost? Who will love them as much as I do? And what's the magic price point for profit? You can finalize your understanding of these questions and tweak your plans as you go, but it helps to have a roadmap ahead of time. With your plan in place, step 2 is as simple as clicking a button. It's time to create your Etsy account. Just head over to etsy.com/sell, hit get started, and sign up with an email and a password. And that is it. So let's get that account set up and move one step closer to launching your shop. Now that your account is ready, let's make your shop feel like home. Step 3 is all about setting your shop preferences. Etsy will prompt you to choose the following settings for your shop. First, what language will your listings display in? What country is your shop based in? And which currency will you use to price your items? Go ahead and select what fits best for you on the shop preferences page. This is how you'll show up on Etsy. Moving on to step 4, it's time to get creative. Let's name your shop. Your shop's name is how customers will remember you, so make it catchy. It should be a name that's all yours, between 4 to 20 characters, no spaces or punctuation allowed. And don't stress if the perfect name doesn't come right away. You can change it later if you need to. Just make sure it's unique and not already taken by another seller on Etsy. You've named your shop, and now it's showtime. Step 5 is all about uploading your products. This is where your shop comes to life with items you've poured your heart into. You'll want to give each product a listing that shines with clear, beautiful photos or videos, a catchy name, a detailed description, and all the specifics like price, variations, and if you're up to it, personalization options. Don't forget the practical bits too, like shipping details and your returns policy. Here's a pro tip. Take a peek at what the top sellers in your category are doing. A little market research goes a long way to make sure your listings stand out in the Etsy crowd. Step 6 is crucial. It's about getting paid for your hard work. It's time to set up your payment preferences. You'll need to decide if you're selling as an individual or a business, which affects how you handle taxes. Then, securely enter your bank details where you want your earnings deposited. Remember, this is about making sure you can reap the rewards of your creativity, so take a moment to get this step right. Now that you're all set to make money, let's talk about step 7, setting up billing. This is where Etsy payments come in handy. It's the main way customers will pay for your items, offering a variety of payment options like PayPal or credit cards. Once a sale is made, Etsy takes care of the fees and sends the rest straight to your bank. It's like having your own cashier, making sure your finances are handled smoothly. Now that you've tackled the logistics, it's time for step 8, giving your shop its own unique flair. Customize your Etsy storefront to make it truly yours. Add a personal touch with a profile picture and a banner that reflects your brand. Share your story in the seller's profile to connect with your customers. And don't forget to post your shop policies clearly. If design isn't your forte, no worries. There are plenty of talented graphic designers and digital artists ready to help bring your vision to life. Congratulations! Your Etsy store is officially open for business. It's time to put those final touches on any draft listings, make sure everything's just right, and then it's go time. Start welcoming customers into your virtual shop and watch as your creations find new homes and your profits begin to grow. Step 10 is all about getting seen. Advertising your shop. You're ready to get started selling on Etsy, and it's time to market your business. Use Etsy ads to boost your visibility in search results, and don't forget the power of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are your new best friends. connect with potential buyers, and create a buzz around your brand. And remember, glowing reviews are gold. Encourage happy customers to share their experiences to help your shop soar. And there you have it, folks, your very own Etsy shop. But remember, this is just the beginning. For more tips, tricks, and side hustle strategies, head over to sidehustles.com. Until next time, see you later.